Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Grace and peace. I really hope this finds you well and in good spirits. Otherwise known as Uskim. There's your captain speaking. Let me unbutton here. Masishan. Khona ukuphefumula leader gift. Ukapteni uthi namhlanje the cruise altitude will be 40,000 feet above sea level. Kusho ukuthi ngihamba neSester van der N. I hope right. So a good day.
Good day, sir.
All right?
Right,
Wangibiza kamnandi sir. Bengisanegotiate ngalena ngingekho la behind the scenes ngide ugift bampromoteile la. It is sent wena use gift. Ubhizi ulisa gift uya interview abafundisi. Next time gift ngiyakufuna la. Njengoba sengikufakile kanje bayeza labantu bathi kanti ku gift ubani? Right, alright sisi? Asibatshela igama nesibongo. Ngifuna sikhululeke namhlanje senganibhathinile mina ube free. La ngeke interview inja yami usuperstar yayithukile athi ngiyaqhaqhazela umuntu wami.
Thuke mina.
Hayi khululeka mama. Bayathanda labantu bake rings and bearings.
Thank you so much. Nami ngiyabathanda.
Yeah.
I'm honored to be here. Thank you, sir. Yet again igama lami uNonhlanhla kwaMsane. Previously known as Unjapha, but along the way I had to change my surname. I can explain that along the way.
Yeah.
But born and bred in Soweto, currently residing at Vosloorus in the East Rand, studying healthcare while freelancing television or anything that's put in front of me. Yes.
Oh, we magician, umahalayi wena. Lento uyayithunga street. I love that. Let's welcome her. Mase khaya usedani umshaya izandla for the very first time. And there's no taxi mshayela la. Hey, yabona okay umashali or taxi owner. Bafethu, I love the industry because la ngiyakhona we are embraced. Bayayithanda bathi chief qhubeka ngale nto leyana. So ngiyacela ngithumelele la. Angifuni laba ba off, ngifuna laba ba straight. Laba bathi no, let's change the narrative. Tunani ke manisagibele nama passenger. Welcome to it. This is the Rings and Bearings. Siyafly siswami. There's a subject engifuna uqala ngayo. Vele siyigibele ngishayela ekhanda straight esikhonkosini. Kune language yamachita ngale ku against the wall. Sibiza mase abbreviator ATW ikhuluma ngamabhantinti abantu asemdiyadeni wasehangeni bakhuluma itori zabo zamagqemane zamandengane so labantu babaphakwa kusala ivoid negap so interest yami manje ngifuna ukuyithola because we are one of the people who are affected so I want to know give me a build up ukuthi mayizophuma i-out iphunyuke yaphunyuka nisesenonke nisesemathandaneni emjoleni life iqhubekile we are not hope we're not offending
No,
current uzasixolela sibali siswami lo sibale usixolele sibale ithi sikhulume ngoba wonke umuntu une history yakhe so abantu abaningi bathi no you are always concerned scheme about labantu bakho amabhantinti ama-out and ngiyabona your embrace and uyawakhulumela mara kunabantu abaffectekayo abantu abasala baba abo single parent abo single mom kwenzakale njani nihlukene that time or mase nihlukene bekhana edanyane ngoba kuye kwasala incosi
let's start here say our relationship to begin with bengazange nami ngiyenze enough homework I mean I was this young lady who's about 25 going to 26 who's just got herself a car just got a new job you know shotu baba
yeah
you know so the first guy I meet but I mean he was charming you know his family was very welcoming his mother loved me we got along no mama I mean let's go back to this thing yokuthi bathi angeke ushade lo uthandwa khona you know we got along no mama
uzoexplain naleyo
yes ngizoyichaza kahle naleyo but look in a space of 3 months I was pregnant you know what I mean and because I was working because I had a car I didn't think it would be much of a problem
na 3 months phela wamukela sinomusa lesibeletho
bese ngiyashada but I mean I was 24 25 you know I mean intanga zami at the age of what 18 or you know right in matric prior to matric had already had kids to me or to my mother or my family or the elders that you know for that matter didn't come across as inyala but really it was about time you know but not to take away the fact that my son was a blessing is a blessing mhlambe vele besukuyisikhathi but not ngale ndlela mina bengibheke ngayo you know what I mean this is someone that went to school was taken to decent schools speaks the best English he fit the profile you know it's just that he didn't have a car and then at the time I think when we met he was studying but I didn't know much about his studying you know I was so ready to be wife you know we like to be wife with our things
urepresenta libikazi lo muntu ona kunamashona bathi Southwestern Township iSoweto
kunebuleni Soweto and
to stand up
I wouldn't say he was initially an offender towards me or an offender at all because even his arrest had nothing to do with me per se. It wasn't as if he had attacked me or had murdered anyone. I think it had to do with fraud more than anything.
Yeah.
But
it's still crime.
It affected me because he knew better. You know what I mean? This is someone I think he was, at the time the mother told me he was studying in, if it's not graphic design. He was in a university, an A student. But not interested in I think now he was a victim of his own circumstance or dynamics of growing up. Hence I'm saying we're not out here to attack him. But what happened to me, Magahamba, now I was imprisoned. Because I didn't know him. You know what I mean? I didn't know as much as I was supposed to. Being left with a child with his DNA, having to explain what's again and why.
But thinking about rings and pairings today because you are very fast, I'm very fast. So as funa my student la, as funa abantu abathi bazoba slow, asibambe imfana. It will be fast-paced le episode.
Sorry.
I want us to take it back kancane. Ukhulume 3 months you were pregnant and then after 3 months umntwana usiyasa ala ukuthi azalwe uhambe nini lo muntu uhambe after how many months?
No, uhambe umntana sekazelwe.
Yeah.
Umntana sekazelwe. Because in that 3 months, I think his mother was going through a few things. I was living in Meredale, just close to Southgate, and they were living in Winchester. A decent house, you know. This is why I was convinced. A decent lifestyle. They just went through whatever they went through, and then we all had to sort of shift. Mama Obiele Orlando West. Him and I moved to Northcliffe. We had to find a cottage. We lived there together while I was pregnant. And then the company being I was a German company. I was an admin clerk there. From there, I had to do debtors, which is collecting money and whatnot. So I was okay. You know, I had this Toyota Rev. I could afford petrol. But not knowing that I'm going to be on my own with this, because yes, he did find something, a clientele at the time. But the guy just, you know, with the age and everything, wasn't someone who was ready to be someone's father or someone's husband. And I don't think we both knew that until baby came along and we realized we were not ready. And then yena was continuing with these things akuzwa ngazo endlini, yekela lezinto zakho zalabangana abapetayo, yekela lezinto zama-fraud, yekela lezinto zeyimoto engingazazi nami.
Uyithole kanjani lento le? Signs were there.
Signs were there.
So
all the red flags were there.
To ignore the signs.
All the red flags.
Manisendlini were there any you know shortcomings into ozibonile ukuthi no lana ngathi kunento ezenzakalayo now go I suspect lento.
For that matter, I think prior to me finding out that I was pregnant, we were visiting his aunt somewhere. I just can't remember the location, but it's a small suburb. And I was asleep. And then something said, "Wake up, ungavuki imota yikho akekho." You know, first thing I do, call him, "Hi, bobo kanti ukuphi?" And then ngezwa ngathi usebemnandini. Why did you just leave me here? I'm calling the cops. Because I had tracker. I was under First for Women. Mfonele tracker manje utshontshile phela uthatha imoto yami without my permission. And then he rushed back.
Awungitshele ke yabona ke manje iza kahle le conversation, but now ngifuna ukukhulumela leadership namajite ekhona la because kukhona abantu abangenayo bawabiza bo blue bunch ungene ngebaki. So abo rabaki futhi ngeke ngithi askisi madoda bangithi abo rabaki because kumele simena aphe madoda sesibadala sikhathele kulo sikhonjwa waya lenyanga kuthiwa inyanga zomama njalo thina because we chose ukuthi sibe oAdam sinyamalala entsimeni uNkulunkulu abuza Adam ukuphi na so mawuthi lo muntu uvukile waya la ekhona, do you think wena masohlela manje mhlambe were you harsh to him and then azange ufeel ukuthi no man lento le noma singashadanga but you can actually take advantage of my resources because it's our resources for now?
The operative word being take advantage. Yeah, you are taking advantage. I mean, with no permission. Doesn't matter what is shadil or not. You're not entitled to anybody, even no man shadil. Nobody's entitled to someone else's item. Nobody's entitled to someone else's body for that matter. We are going through what we call marital rape these days. We're going through a lot of things. We're going through Ubaba Libelaz, which he's entitled to my car. But uzoyithatha aye la mhlambe mina ngingathandanga khona or angangitshelanga because why kumele azangitshela ubaba la
condom ngaphakathi ubaba sekayisebenzisa.
I understand. And can you imagine how devastating that is? So it happened at the time where Nami, I wasn't a feminist per se. I was a young lady making it from what I thought was happening. Sekusela ubaba. You know, and it happens to a lot of us. Look, I'm at a different era and a different age right now, exploring different things. But I'd like ukunusa younger girls at that age, 20-something, you know, kind of uphume varsity, kind of uthole imoto nana. I'm not saying stay away from the guys. I'm saying be wide awake and reach your consensus. You know what I mean? Yonke into ifuna ilo ntuzana, what do you call it? Permission. there's another consent. Consent. It doesn't matter what it is. You know what I mean? So that's what happened with us. That was the first sign. Actually.
Yeah. So what was the response on the other end?
Yo. Hayi Usbanbani. I can't remember. It's been a while back, but I know it was a very, very, nervous, not so convincing. I was upset. I mean, I was also loud. And then I hung up, and then within 20 minutes he was back.
Yeah.
And it didn't hit me. I just thought maybe it's something I wrong, which he'll never do again. And then his mother and I were very much in good terms, that we spoke about everything. So Mama Kona, like a very lovely lady, very lovely grandmother, someone who cared about us even throughout the time he was in prison, because I remember she was the one who said, and understand it. There were incidents I know even prior to that, to the arrest. I think he had taken my car, but he hadn't taken it without consent. I was at work, and he had to drive me to work, and I allowed him. No, you can take the car. And then the mother called me to yell at me, license. Either way, so not to sit here and bash and attack the guy, but this is my experience.
Yeah. I understand.
This is my experience. And then even with my first car, I mean, I didn't go around saying we are John, but it was because of him that I lost it. Yeah. Although I didn't get him arrested for that, because the guy who was supposed to penalty, being a maternity leave, and he had already dented the car. Yeah, but a few spots, and I was like, you know what, this car is expensive for us to keep, and I maternity leave, and now we're going to so we're not going to afford to take care of the baby, not at the standard that we want to. Can we not find a buyer? Let's find a panel pizza and find a buyer, and then staying in Umanga, as long as I can get to the doctor with the car and whatever.
Yeah.
So when we found the guy, it happened to be a friend of his, Weka Sebenzele Poisons at the time.
Yeah.
Ukinosi. I don't know whether it was Apila or, I mean, Ukinosi, I caught him countless times, and he was always let go. I still have a paper till today, and I don't have my car, of which I've let go, even spiritually,
Yeah.
So Ukinosi was a friend of Babumtana. And then I was supposed to give birth. April, I was going to give birth in May. And then Maslibesi checking into kanti chome ring, chome hi, relax, man, relax. Afika uKinos lahlala khona kule cottage yase Northcliffe at some point. Athi kimi angazi mele ayoyenzani. I'm blank. Ngimfole ngithi umuntu ubatla amaphepha emoto. Ufuna i-copy ID, ufuna i-copy ID. Ngithi, are you sure this guy is angeke asinoke ngale copy ID? Hayi mnikeze. Unga stress.
Copy ID.
So when I say to people that know us,
Yeah.
I came across as someone wrong, play my, and this, it's so sad because throughout the upbringing of the boy, I didn't tell the boy what had happened. I didn't know why he was arrested. I kept saying, whatever the case may be. I had to cover for him because I didn't want this man to come out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? When I went to Mama Sona, so I never told my boy a thing. He always just wanted to know why and anga until he went once, I think at the age of 4, I touched on a corner because Baba, we were Puma when the boy was 4. Got involved with someone else, got her pregnant without my knowledge. The only time I knew he was out of prison at that time was when he came to pick up the boy, give me Foslorasi, spend his cat. I'm like, even better. At least now they can have a relationship. So pregnant.
Man, lento lengathi ijampile le. So undoda mpini makaleka mfene nina nisasena lento yokuthi kunethemba makabuye uzobuyela kuwe.
I was hoping not, but I didn't break it off because I felt ungimoshile. Mina vele bengasa. You understand? But at the same time, I'm a child of God. I've always thought maybe you'll come out. And I'm thinking for the boy. But uthi ngizogijima Sun City mina akakhohlwe. Yeah.
Beyakuyiphi prison?
Sun City, from what I know. I know he did get moved around, but I never followed that up.
Ngifuna sibuild kahle ke lento because baningi abaphethe the same narrative, baphethe the same story.
Yeah.
So baphethe the same testimony
Yes.
njengawe, but abakwazi ukuyiventilate or abakwazi ukuzi-expressa ukuthi
Yeah.
kahle kahle mara bakutshela silimele singomama,
Yeah.
silimele siyabo sister. So
Yes.
I'm here to advocate for everybody or feel good. No, my rights have been hampered with.
Yes, sir.
These people are tampering
Yeah.
with my peace. So what then was that one thing? It's very emotional. Maybe before sifika kuyo, asike sisho ukuthi ugcina ngena njani, because I don't want us to go through the nature case and court cases, court appearances and all of that. But ultimately, lo muntu waboshwa and then wakwetshwa.
Okwetshwa, when Noah was my son,
Yeah.
was turning 11, was it 11 months or 8 months? It's the 11th month, he was turning 8 months.
Yeah.
The one thing I appreciate about Bakabo Babak is that when they buy bafuna ukuthenga in bulk, and he had done something like that, I think the week before.
Yeah.
Aphume nathi umthengela wena prem kwasani, you know what I mean? I didn't suffer during that phase.
Yeah. Was he attending court at that time?
I don't even
Awazi,
know why he got
Mzansi.
arrested. I didn't know things were that bad. That's how much of, I mean, the thing that affected me, that makes me emotional half the time, ngalo muntu lona, ukuthi I will never say that he physically abused me. I didn't see it coming.
It's an
He
accident.
conned me. He conned me. He made me believe. He made me believe. He was a make-believer because Noma Azoboshwa, roadblock, I didn't see it coming. It was just the week after he had bought all these things, and I was like, oh, what a happy family. We are, at least babamtana ngalo babamtana owenzayo.
Maruzamile.
Uzamile. That's why I'm not here to attack the
Marukhala
guy.
ngesecret when.
Ngikhala ngokuthi,
Yeah, you took me with kahle kahle.
Yeah.
You're busy with nonsense.
and what annoys me and what made me come sit on this chair today is that till today you are that person. I don't know to how many other women, because nangumntwana nangunalo omunye. I don't want anything from you. For that matter, we are a family. We are a good family. No baba. You know what I mean? And he's seeing a wonderful example.
Yeah.
Gulo baba, a man who went to school, a
present
man
father.
who's a present father. Like, a man who goes to church with mommy.
Yeah.
A man who took God because of mommy, because he wants to take mommy and me.
Yeah.
But the boy won't succumb. I get it. I get it. It took me a while, Nami, to succumb to a step parent.
Yeah.
But when you're not even calling you, and you are out.
Aish. Oh manje u-absent, u-disconnectile.
Udisconnectile and unawo ama-contact. Unayo access yokucommunicate nathi.
Tag him. Asimthegeni nje. Siyabuya ke manje ke. Nathi sinenkinga zethu. I don't think ukuthi khona i-out ekhulile ibe ngangami, ibe nalamadeva amhlophe. Ingazange idlule intweni. Kuneyingcoso esivelayo along the way. Omunye uthi uba njengomntwana, omunye ngibanjiswe ini, omunye bhantshi. Abanye vele bayasukela bakubona ulahlile bakubambisa ibha. Yonke lento le ifiasco. Siya understand ukuthi no, kuningi kuse South Africa. But before bangishaya abantu bami, bayayithanda ukuyifollowa i-narrative because kunemibuzo evelayo mari vela sevela ukuthi mskim bekathi u-explaina lento leya sikakayizwa. That's why ngilonga ukudrivela kuleya point. The first day mawuhamba wena after sekuthiwa umuntu ugwetshiwe ultimately uyongena ejele. The first day wawugcoka ufaka istiletto uyongena eSun City. Take us through that day.
The very first day, strange enough, is not necessarily the day that he got arrested. Because remember, I don't know this thing. We understand that he's good at candy coating all these things. But manje ngoba, I'm thinking maybe I should, let me try. Let me, as much as the mother said, don't ever, ngifuna umntwana wami lapha nanana, I didn't take the boy with me. It was so painful because that place is not nice, Hence I say it's imprisoning. You get in there, melushi phone, nayo impatient lo muntu ngale ngathi uboshiswe phezu kwazo zonke into akwenze zona.
Hayi, subject ka uyandakele yathi yo iboshwa ziyangala.
Awumbufisanga.
Yeah.
But now you have to go collect a cigarette then, whatever the system is. But the process, the process, and I'm still angry. I'm angry. I'm a single mom. I'm left with this child. I've got to make these decisions after time in my life. It's not the same anymore. And then I have to walk through, and then I have to come and sit with you where all these men, bashaya maflate, now begizandla la marang food.
Or a visit. Typical Sbosh.
Like yo angifuni ukubheka but angifuni ukukimbarasa nginomntana nawe maybe we can work this out. I'm sitting there, I must pretend, you know, that so that the prison ward ababona ukuthi khona mhlambe into engikunika yona kumele angisakhumbuki kumele ngibeke ini khona lapho. I try not to get too emotional about it, but it was it was painful for me. It was painful for me because when I left there, I expected appreciation from him. I still got a bashing, you know. I still got you not doing it. And there was apparently there were ladies there to see him too, if I remember correctly. Because at Texini there were people saying all these funny things. And these girls saying all these funny things, and they were mentioning his name, but I'm trying not to pay attention. I'm thinking, and then there's a girl that I sort of kind of bonded with, who could see what's happening. Yeah, but now this girl is telling me, I'm like, what are you on about? My tears are here. My tears are here. You know, I'm crying because I'm seeing the man that I loved, whom I've got an infant with behind bars, and I'm playing a part I've never played before. And I'm dressed decent for that matter. It's not like I'm dressed in a way that's giving all these men.
Yeah.
So Slayer. But I mean, I'm not that girl. I'm not a girl who's gonna come half naked. But I would wear something that's enticing, covering, you know. So I'm wearing jeans, chilled.
Clever man. Please, no go off the market.
So but the only time I realized being a koiwan in this whole journey was when you came out after 4 years of this arrest. Wamitisa or she ends a new baby boy.
So let Jenny Jenny ektate start to finish 4 years. In as much as obviously nama open half. Kunesifika isikhathi la ufika uthi yazi ngiyabhejulula manje. Ngiphuma nje ngesivalo sechampagne uyangidina lo angiyi next week.
No, I stopped going altogether from that day. I stopped going altogether because even the conversation, can you imagine? I'm frustrated. I've got a boy that I should be driving to the doctor. Asqali lab. This Kinosi guy gave him a courtesy car. Still so emotional till today yet you got the courtesy car, of which when I wanted to come and get, because Kinosi says sesimtholile namaphoyisa ethi imoto ifakwe esmark as much as sikathola ke lupheni elibhitha uthi ufuna le moto akunika yona nginabafuni ngayo. He has an aunt who supports him in everything. I don't come in between that. It's got nothing to do with me. But that pains me. I hope she can hear this. I'm still not happy about that. I don't want that car back. I've got a decent car now.
Mara washayeka laphana. So we investile and then now also we victim. No sengiyayizwa ke manje narrative. The reason why you're still talking about you're still at that is because you did not find justice.
I didn't find justice. To a point where I stopped looking for justice. The only thing that would be just, that will come out of everything that has happened. No because you try by all means to I mean,
discredit.
You know, there's dynamics when there's a step parent, which is something I experienced, but I outgrew along the way.
Yes, a step parent.
So however we have fun, however we do our things, boy, first thing as then when the first thing he does will attack me. And then I would say to him, no, but don't attack me. Make a relationship with the boy. I got shooting an ex boy. Boy, for a relationship. And boy doesn't understand that I can't susu baba. A picture as much as I susu mama loyo. Phone. Don't send a sitting 100 rand. Phone him. You know, I remember there's a point where I noticed he WhatsApp from my boy to him saying, Dad, can I date?
umfana ukhulile manje. My God.
You know, can I have a girlfriend? And I can't ask him. It's his personal thing, no, but he did not respond. He blue ticked it for a while.
But because lento iphast, kuba khona isikhathi la ubona ngathi no manje siwe reconcile isilungu manje leso. In terms of him reaching out makale kamfene, obviously ama cell phone akhona yonke South Africa la, and we know what's going on, yabo. Azange sayimangala makuthiwa hawu mase kukhuluma ubaba umkhwanazi siyazi. Ikhona. Futhi ziyayenzeka. Nani niyazi la. Nifihlela ukhulume evalo mara niyazi into eyenzakalayo la. So man lo onibhizinia ben communicate kuba ngathi kunethembanyana libakhona ama conversations on those lonely nights, and nawe bo dweba ipicture yakho ekhanda bebakutshelile ukuthi maybe I sentence plan ime kanjani ngenzeka aphume nini.
Kuyakazameka, but ayizange kuze kulast logo. Because for me it didn't help me raise this boy. I mean, there's a point where I had to let go of the job I was working and start a business, which was kind of successful, but it wasn't meeting.
Yeah.
I think I forgot about him very quick, actually. Yeah.
Mara manje ngoba yokuqala phela isayina ngithi mase kuyisikhathi bavele bacela ukuthi sicela amanyuthi. Beyangacela amanyuthi mase. Hayi. No manje ngiyasivalidate angiyathinga abafana olibhanditi bafana.
I think
khona ubhalile lapha. Wena scheme wena bengena phone echele.
I think upete after that visit. Yabokelo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because ngiyasikhwele mina.
Hey. What you wanna know, it's enough.
Email, yes. And then I had people insulting me on Facebook. I had girls, hey, lo muntu ayabola ngeke. There's a point where even prior to his release, he had women that have money that were doing things for Noah. That's why I'm not here to attack the guy. I'm surprised now that he's outside. It should be better. But there were ladies. I mean, I can count maybe 3 ladies that were in his life that would come every month, bringing plastic bags for Noah. Yeah. Doing good.
Let's more yasazi.
Next.
Roller play.
I think that's how I felt in the first place.
Yes. Yeah, no, it's a deep conversation. You're still tuned into Rings and Bearings. And this is not Antla. You don't know how excited I am. You know, mina masloko sibhizi unpack. Angifuni lento ezi-generic lezi ezikhulunywa left and right nani. Ngifuna nje umuntu anginikeze inhliziyo yakhe la ekhona. Of course, uqhubekele nge-life and unomuntu and she's happy wherever la ekhona khona. So, let's go back to the issue. Ngifuna sikhulume le ndaba ye-step. Kunenyawo uthi uLucky. Awumabaso madoda. Bekahlala ekhuluma athi bekabiza stepfather sakhe ngo-step 1 ade yabo step 1 bakuhlanyisa kabantu bafuni asikhulume nge-step 1 wena nje holistically, because kunomuntu othi mfethu ngathatha le ncosi ngayifaka esigele ngayiphusha 4 years later yagraduate i-invite ubaba yawo amampela mina step 1 asangifuni wena mhlambe you affected directly or indirectly, so awuthi nje usithathe through kulento ye-stepping parenting.
I would say initially it would have been a negative effect, but ultimately the most positive, both sides. Umama no baba.
Yeah.
Umama no baba, because at the age of 5, I had to ship off Nyuhlala no mama no baba ne stepmother.
Yeah.
However, I spent about 2 years of that time gakoko paternal grandmother, and then umama besekazoba nomntana omusha. So from what I understand, vele bona bahlangana khona kwavela mina, which was inevitable.
Yeah.
Because I had to live in this world. Yeah. So I met my stepmother at that age, and I won't lie to you, she wasn't your evil stepmother, but there was obviously a gap in dynamics. We had to get to know each other.
Yeah, I'm interested in that.
Yes. We had to. She was a Xhosa lady coming from Cape Town. My father's Xhosa.
Yeah.
Married a Xhosa lady coming from Cape Town.
Yeah.
He was a technician at Telkom. Pinky was her name. Upata Mlisana, still using my father's surname.
Yeah.
Was coming from Cape Town, a hard worker, someone who was working from Epic and Pay as a packer to customer service manager from there to Johnson. She worked her way up.
Climbed the ladder of success.
She climbed the ladder. We did have a gap of our own.
Yeah.
And I loved her. She was a disciplinarian. Not once did she lay her hand on me.
Okay.
But it was unbetter. Saqhubisha nonhlalo somqhela kakubi. You know what I mean?
Hayi, kaloku nglow.
Isixhosa ndifunda kwimfundisi isixhosa
Atyumza,
ndiyasazi isixhosa because of her today.
Yeah.
Ndingurhele ngumambamba ubhodlinja ndiyazazi because of her today.
Nice one.
But there are things, man.
Yeah.
You know, there will be those things. And initially, I think that the hate came from not the hate, but the indifference came from my side because I missed mom.
Eish.
You know, I wanted to know why did mom let me
No, the
go?
dynamic I'm interested kuyo because
You
the
know.
step situation. There's
Yeah.
always a situation there. Yeah.
I don't know why
You
they
gave
were
birth
never
to the
together.
situation. Animosity. Yeah.
Why I gave birth to animosity. I don't know why they were never together. I know now this is the first time I'll ever say this and admit it, and she knows for a fact because because at some point I was tearing her clothes. She had beautiful clothes. I was so traumatically affected that I would walk into a wardrobe and tear her clothes
Oh,
apart.
yeah.
Akangenzanga next.
Hey, sir.
For that matter, she's the one that's finding me a better Bensile.
Hamon uyeza, Hamon imbele. You
Peter.
call, say, Temba, please remind us of the twin interview.
Bang Peter, I was angry. And being a baby girl, I wanted daddy to myself at some point.
Eish.
And daddy, of course, daddy
How
loved
old were
me.
you at this time?
They took me in at the age of 5. And I don't want to say they took me in as if mommy gave me up per se. You know what I mean? From the narrative was that I'm a Xhosa child.
Yeah.
And angilali ebusuku ngiyagula kunje nakanje nakanje because I'm a Xhosa afuna umntanami.
Yeah.
That's how I got to live with the paternal grandmother. And then that's when I realized God and salvation because my grandmother was Christian and it was like azenziwe izonto but mntana lapha ke phofu makazohlala nathi. You
I
know?
want your best possible advice. Ngike ngahlala la ngihleli neskim sami. She was once a mayor of a big city. So I'm saying to her, hey man, asikhulume uthini manje usangibamba ngeeducation with regards to le ndaba yobu step ude mfethu ayike into difficult njengaleyo because kukhona umunye umuntu noma sowuqhubekile sowushadile umuntu avela athi mina ngubaby mama wangalate angifuni ukukhuluma naye ufuna ukukhuluma nendoda yakho phofu so nayo into engifuna ukuyiunderstand ukuthi lento because wena njengoba usho ukuthi no mina I was a young one and a very naughty one yimi bengenza ukuthi lento ibe ungovernable so babakho bekefila kanjani at that time because umama bekamtshela ukuthi hey mfo man kune flop man nazi impahla zami sezidabukile.
That was at the time after I'd lived with Gogo and then I had to go live with them in town. If it is and they basahlala emafletini. That's when I did that, and I did that. I think Uma Mbekazi chose as well something, and then I went to go see her, and then when I came back, I broke, you know, and I was blaming her for nothing because Ubaba was a groovist. I'll be honest with you. You know. Hence I say there were dynamics that I couldn't tap into because we're ngumntwana, and I love the fact that they always protected me from things that were happening. But I can tell you one thing. As much as he would have supported that, he's never approached me concerning Ezombal, which was unfair of him now, I find. You understand? She approached me, she was angry. I pick isixhosa. But but we she and I, funny enough, found common ground when we started realizing Guti neglected us. Utedi was a groovist, he was never confrontational. That most probably caused them their divorce eventually. Because I think it must have been 3 years after that they split up. But then I find mommy in her.
Nice.
She was lonely.
Happy ending.
She wanted the best schools. Half the time I never bengafuna ukudla bengathanda ukudla they would dish up and then bazothola ukudla ecathulweni so xoka nguwe
hey madoda
andifuni ithanga or whatever but we bonded
siyagoisha. I'm tempted to
through
say
that.
Siyabothemba ngingamshiya uPenwell ngoba enye last number upipirate baprekile abantu la ngaphandle and I mean akekho umuntu oyange intention yokuthi ngiyomithisa nguchifathi ngiyabashaya ngapha ngiyabashaya ngeBobrivid wahamba uplant yonke So i-beetroot, ikhabishi, anyanisi, izambane kunale vegetable le abahlale bayenza lapha seyi-emoji. Yabona le purple nyana le bayibizana
Eggplant.
Yeah, lantuka. Abantu labo abantwana umama uyasibiza kanjalo kade hey kunabantu vele kuyikhabishi kuyi-beetroot kuyanyanisi mase wabaningi kakhulu.
Yeah.
So labantwana baba nabo mamabo. I-advice yakho to mhlambe labo mama because umuntu uyaqhubeka ngempilo ayozidlalela somewhere seka uscheme seka upenwell and uyapusha man uzama ukuthi no man let me just try to make some end meet and ngiyayibona ukuthi in making ends meet ama-flop wami nama-factory faults nama-human error sengiwabonile ngawa-embrace nga-acknowledge i-flop lami but manje I'm no longer that man so ngicela ukwenza right mara bangakuniki i-chance labantu ukuthi wenze right what's the advice to the males to the females?
You know what I would say, asiqale ngabo mama. I have every, like even now while sitting here, I have every right to say, "Hayi lo baba."
Yeah.
Sekhona ubaba ngithi for that matter. But I thank God for Rupinki for making sure that I get to these schools where I understand being civil, what it is to be civil.
Yeah.
You know, you find white parents, I must step both sides, but they're having a December or Christmas together.
Yeah.
You know, it promotes peace.
Okay.
Let's stop. I would rather the child doesn't know what ubaba wenzeni.
Yeah.
Unless ubaba uyakulimaza ke. And cycle together but ubaba uyak-abuse even verbally.
Yeah.
And the child can pick it up. You know, let's avoid them knowing. I think my father being unconfrontational helped in a way.
Yeah.
Although after the divorce I felt good, they could have actually put, let me into what's happening because it did affect me along the way. We understand, but that's after. But what I advise out there, guys, let's not involve our kids in our dynamics, in our drama.
Yeah.
They don't have to know.
Bayalimala ne?
Not unless it's physical and we are born.
Yeah.
I never saw a thing. I noticed after this cut, oh, laba bakhulumisana.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, so ngizokhuluma nobani? How long asekho? How sekumele ngihambe noPinky? Akusazwana. But I only find out after this cut ukuthi ayazi baba kho bekajolo. Line next door. Sengimdala where I can stomach it ukuthi aymarisile le. Aymarile ikhohlakele nami bengizoyishiya. We understand?
Yeah.
She didn't tell me those things.
Yeah.
She protected me from those things.
Yeah, so
And I turned out, even my biological mother doesn't hate him.
Yeah.
Because akazazi ezinye izinto ngaye. Sazi ukuthi you're perfect.
Yeah.
Until saying I'm at the right age to say mara
No
yazi.
mature man lo sisi.
Yeah,
Umuntu kahle kahle bekayikholwa.
Bekayikholwa.
No.
But I've been raised by Makhola through and through in my life. I think God has just always been there.
Abanye Makhola ngiya-understand. Sinezinyanga sinezangoma nabathakathi bakhona. Mara kubalekile. Why ngikhuluma ngomloja uPen? He's been talking about this. He confront these issues and demons head on and umuntu lothi let me be vulnerable to the system so that people know it from me.
Yes,
so I know ukuthi akusumuntu othatha offense. Hence I always make some reference to him because very good friend of mine, pick up to you. Ngiyalibona ibandla liyakhula ku Convo. Nibo subscriber lapha ku Pen simpush. Lento ye parenting akusinto yakudlala. Sometimes kunele parenting bese kuba khona umuntu umbona ukuthi usase youth lo muntu ungene by default ukuthi abe parent ufile lo muntu off engqondweni noma sekekhulile ngikhuluma ngomntwana 45 mara manje niyakhuluma he's talking without speaking. He's a mysterious man. Uthini lo muntu hayi khona man kunento engekho right. Now let's talk about labantwana abama rebel. Kuyenzeka ukuthi uthola abantwana straight. Ngubuza kanje because I know ukuthi under your belt you are an actress, uyabo? Fully fledged and you are talented and gifted. So I could ask you anything. Labantwana thola ukuthi manje baba marebel. Ukhulume ngokuthi uthatha ukudla ungakudli. Ngize experience lezi zinto lezi. Umntwana vela athi hayi kupheka ubana akasafuna ukudla. Sisi overcome kanjani lezi zinto lezi?
Hey. With me bengasi issue ukuthi kupheka ubani.
Yeah.
And then I think I overcame it. Let me understand your question. How do we overcome it as parents or as these kids?
No, as abantwana because wena uphume kanjani kule demon because njengoba usho na ukuthi bekungakhathalele kuthenjwa ukuthi kupheke bani bekunokufila nje angifuni ukudla namhlanje and ngamanye amagama I'm spiting this woman. Angimfuni man lo mama lo yabo mhlambe lo mama ugcina wafila ukuthi no wena uhletshelwa umama wakho wangempela. Uyayiva ke manje. And then ize yathi nini ipheni ukudropa nje ka suddenly ukuthi nayi the aha moment. Nakulanga ilahla khona ugcina uyiwina kanjani lento?
I can't trace ukuthi when did it stop and particularly leyo kudla. But when I was towards my grade I think grade 7 and grade 8. Globu rebel bami bokuthi ugogo unje, umama unje, or mina ngifuna umamami. It started fading. I think maturity started kicking in. Man, this is what you're getting from law, and then you're not getting it from lapayana, because ukhumbule nakumama bekunama dynamics wakhona. Khona stepdad nakhona, khona younger sister who's a brat, and she's a brat only because she at a tender age was not touched right by my uncle. And became a delinquent because mamami will give her everything, trying to compensate. That's a very emotional part of my life, and I'm not too sure what is it the right platform for me to talk about it, but it's still affecting.
Let's talk about it.
My mom.
Yeah.
Till today. Because yes, it might be looked at, which I was raised in a wealthy home or whatever. My grandmother's house was enormous. It was huge. But I was alone. I was bored. I mean, one of the reasons why I would take that food and put it in the shoes is because you understand? I'm retaliating as a kid, and I'm lonely. But to everybody else's threat, I'm one of those kids who's raised alone. I'm a lonely child. I find it very hard to make friends. I'm just a bubbly person. That's why I'm charismatic. You know, I attract people. However, from my mother's side, apart from who we're talking about, if we go back to talking about our steps, now he became a lovely step at the end of the day, because him and I developed our own relationship. You know, at the age of 15, mama mangfakala asebenza khona because sengithanda imali and akafuni ngifune bafaneni imali. So makangena ngama weekend ngiyangena, yabona ngiphatha imali naseklasini umuntu onemali udlula wonke umuntu. So abangani bami high school mabaqala into zomjolo, mina nginemali anginasikhathi, I'm not available, and ngisebenza catering company yamajuda. Bayaqoka labantu bahle. I'm learning how to be rich. I'm learning etiquette. For that matter, the young girls that are working with me as waitresses as well are starting to smoke. So it's the in thing. I didn't learn how to smoke cigarettes in high school. It happened there because it's beautiful. It's Jewish girls, you know, it's these rich girls and whatever. But going back to I don't know if
No, you're right.
But Lega mama and my younger sister, the reason why things became tough, kulela side, and how she's now turned out to be
whoever she is,
and making it so difficult for all of us to even visit my mom. And my mom, God, I just pray that God can keep her, because I feel I still have a lot to do for her. But the younger sister is what she is because of her, and I understand where she's coming from. Because my uncle at some point, company,
okay. Something went wrong. Yeah. Just to protect her. Yeah. Okay.
Something went wrong.
That converted her into becoming very rebellious and all of that.
But now it affected all of us, including my stepfather. Beautiful, intelligent.
Mara kune traffic. Right. Asikhulume ngoba siyayivala ne. I want us to advise someone osekhaya. I get these calls all the time. Where abantu ba self-centered, ba selfish. Ba selfish abanye omunye ubukele le camera selfish self. Thina siphethe overload. Nginabantwana engibakhulisayo engasibami. Ngibathanda over hure and bavumeleni beze vele in numbers. Because kunabantu abafile inhlizweni. So I want you to talk to someone cold. Okhohliwe ama parenting responsibilities, you know, naye ngokwakhe umntwana loku ayiparent. Ngizoyiphinda futhi le kuma episode alandelayo. Ulakhi unokhuluma lapha esikhaleni athi ye mfethu labantwana babona abahlangahlangene inkinga abayimvubelo yotshwala. Lo mntwana bamenze ngesavana neistropezi. So kudumi istropezi nje. Lo mntwana uyiistropezi uyambona nje. Bamenza abadakiwe, udakiwe lo mntwana akulunga. And wayithatha uyihleke lento. But makuyisikhathi now you realize ukuthi esana ingredients something went terribly wrong. And manje ba lo ukwatila akazukwatela lo ukwatila akazukwateleni. So if you were to advise abantu abanabantwana, abantwana bama rebel, abantwana bangalaleli, abantwana badaye uthi uyakhuluma umama akayingeni indaba yakho. Lo mntwana uphumile 8. I-comfort bayithola kuphi ngaphandle ukuthi sithi bathathandaza mhlambe professionally bangathola usizo kanjani abantu?
Asiqale la. I'm not out to bash out our government. I'm just going to make an example of when I realized ukuthi zonke lezi zinto ezenzakele, which I had ignored, and I felt I'm strong, you know.
Yeah.
You always say, yes, God is there. God is amazing. But I never dealt with them. You know, I never spoke to anybody. I never spoke to Pinky. Ukuthi why wena nobaba nenahlukana ningangitsheli and things like that. And I went to Etele Mkhurwane. I just felt it was too much. And at the time I was running a laundry business and I had doctor clients and whatever. I spoke to one of the doctors. Was no, Palisa is the OT. Palisa umtshele ukuthi what is it that you're feeling, and then Palisa can refer you.
A therapist.
A therapist,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Palisa referred me to a place that is it Dumani, not if it's ngasi Dumani Pool.
Yeah.
I never got help. I went for 5 sessions. She doesn't show up.
Yeah.
The psychologist.
Yeah. Maka show up uyabheda.
Maka show up ubona by 5. See 10 line.
Oh.
I sat there with a lady who had been through worse, who had bruises, literal bruises, who's in an abusive relationship that she can't leave because nakubo kunje. Do you understand? And nakubo kunje, and nobody, she can't speak to uncle, she can't speak to anybody. There are dynamics that affect us as Africans. I'm talking about Africans as in this color of the skin, that go back. Esingazazi thina abazibanga yabo gogo bethu. We understand. You can't go to Mamkulu.
Yeah.
You can't talk to anybody. Can somebody do something in South Africa when it comes to this psychologist or therapeutic
Social
department,
workers,
social workers, particularly for, I'd like to speak for us women. Men are affected as well. I don't want to sit here and go and bash and go against men, because some men are what they are to their women because of what they come from mama families. You understand? I see Leo yona iyenzeka ngesibaleke. But please, women are hurt. How can umntana angabi hurt?
Yena umuntu olimale ulimazana abanye.
Bancela thina abantwana
That's
that we
why
are the
bathi,
maternal
men are dogs.
yes.
Ibuya lapha.
We are the first example.
Yeah. Yazi ngeke ngikhuluma nomnye usisi wami, Sister Groti, usisi Sarah Sikiti. Shout out. You know, sikhule sisonke. I remember when we were pushing for 2012, basic behind the scenes behind concept eyale Toga Bishop Benjamin Dube, healing in his presence. So we were advocating, obviously, you know, leading the team. So Usaster, we would spend a lot of quality time now, and she would say to me, Skim, be careful. Ngifuna ukukutshela balimela abanye, but abafazi mfana kithi, I don't want to miss my words. Mfana danger gevaarlik. Then why further explain engeke ngichaze kakhulu la ukuze ngim-understand ukuthi why bekasho njalo, not to say bekathi udenounce abafazi, but she had said ngizokutshela from my experience, yabo, from boyfriends, from yonke lenyakanya ukuthi okay khamba nani mara themba ibambe mfana sifail kabi masithanda ngicedile la wayivala, yabo. So hence ngithi kuwe, while we are wrapping it up kahle hle, abantu ngicela ukuthi i-advice bayithole ukuthi abantu abayohila, because abantu abalimele balimaza abanye.
Yes.
You know, because noma wathi uyafika umoya nje uwodwa akukho izinto zambi kahle abakuloyanga.
Yes.
Because just fail hate awufuna ubaba umntwana aphumelele, awufuna ubani uneyinkinga zakho wena uzigayeza abantu. Yeah, what an episode. Asikhulume ngawe the now.
Okay.
The present, the current, and the future endeavors. Yabo? If you don't mind, you can share wherever you are. Abantu abagaya opportunity, abantu spana nabo, whatever the case is.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't get a permission, so I'm not sure I can mention the names of the platforms.
No, that's
but
fine.
I am doing a health promotion officer course with an institution called IFASCO Academy.
Yeah.
I did mention at some point, I commend all the women who have been in my life. Nkulunkulu has made sure that I become the woman that I am by placing all these strong women.
Blessing.
Pinky, Mama, Emma, the lady that's teaching us, the facilitator to Emma Muloi, wonderful lady. And then,
but
that I'm doing now part time because I tapped into.
Okay.
Thank you.
Acting.
But it was initially just background because my first love is radio.
Oh.
So when I bumped into some guy, the industry, hi man, Kala TV, you've got the face. Hi, so. It happened last year, I think around October, and he gave me all these links where I can, join. I'm a background, whatever. But from January, I've done quite a few shows where I'm now featured on 2 officially, and then I've done. I don't know if I can mention these people.
No. Let's keep it for for a surprise. Let's not
Yes.
spoil the surprise. Yeah, let's just leave it at that.
Yeah.
It's okay. Ibambe nje nedada. Then
Okay.
also ungakhohlwa sesivala ukuthi abantu mhlambe if they want to get a hold of you, because sometimes uba i-testimony, yabo?
Yeah.
Le test yakho odlule kuyo, the trials, and you become a testimony. So abantu bafuna ukuthi hey Faith, we want to connect na someone who has been there, done that.
Yes. Okay. On TikTok, I can be reached on Blessings Msane 3. That's my label. And then Facebook, it's Nonhlanhla Msane. And WhatsApp is my 076 number, 743-6720.
Yeah.
076-743-6720.
She's happily engaged again. Emma, please don't ask for news and funny things here. This one is.
I'm
of
a
the
Christ
market.
ambassador.
Yeah. Umzalwane za. Siyabonga siswami. Thank you very
Bonga
much.
mina kakhulu.
Yeah, I hope to see you in the near future and all the best and more. And
you,
thank you for opening up, Skulume, because the subject is Boshwa. Beyiloki busy, ithon in the flesh, but uyangihlebela. Not asilibele labantu laba. Bayeza mabaqedela bathatha serious. Keep well, stay blessed until the next episode. Love you.
Thank you so much.